Ketanat kam jengok kai perthai ke Sarkar Jilla Mandau Senam kan penloi kata masa cherry blossom haringkat ke jinga terilang bat ke Sarkar Japan bat ya kani kata masa an penlong Hamadan Kurkalang Riboy District haga khatsan bat khan riu teri unai wing araja arpusau bat kiwai pat kita masa haki benai bebut. Ya kani la pentip do menteri beri kemi ketanat ubak pol lingdo haka jinga kran bat kilat pathai kubor dien ke jinga lang bat barok ki dan benta haka kam jengok kai na du ki borchnong ki nongnya kali turis ki bebut jakasa na ke benta ki nong jengok kai na lor ki pan. Ulaong bo nong rak tien keri Japan, Seri India, ula kubur ya kejing internet kiding cherry blossom, bat ki stream, bat ki badan hari Japan, bat benrab, bo un sabatai ya kejing tip bobnya, halor kani katamasa haki sengi banwan.
Then, as you must have seen, we have just launched the official calendar of Cherry Blossom 2024, highlighting the various activities and events that will take place during this year's festival. The highlight this year is that we are also collaborating with the government of Japan, and there will be a separate space allocated for the government of Japan to showcase their various activities in the various sectors where the country has been successful. Apart from Cherry Blossom, the department is finalizing a list of events and festivals. We will take some time because these events will be, some will be at the district level, some will be at the state level, and some will be at the village level, meaning respective villages where such proposals have been made. So we will be finalizing this calendar and then I will come back to you with the details once that is done. The same venue, Riboy District, RBDSA ground. See, criticism is always there in whether the government performs or does not perform, but fact of the matter is you will realize from the sheer scale of today's conclave, the hundreds who turned up at today's conclave is a testimony that tourism is their bread and butter, is their source of livelihood, and Meghalaya, being the music capital of India, can only offer the best to the rest of the world through these festivals. And it is not one way, it is not just us inviting people over to Meghalaya. Our artists, our musicians are also traveling the world showcasing what Meghalaya has. We yet to finalize the allocation, but we will be investing in a manner that would also see joint support from the group which will be headlining the various events, and also there will be corporate sponsors. This was a suggestion made by the ambassador of Japan to India when he had visited us last year. He was impressed by the similarity of the cherry blossoms that are grown here with those of Japan, and he'd like therefore Japan to be a part of this experience. It amounts to a kind of an exchange between Meghalaya and Japan. The biggest room in the world is the room for self-improvement. We are happy with whatever has been achieved, but then we are not totally satisfied, because we know that the potential of Meghalaya in different sectors is so huge, and what we have achieved so far is comparatively much less, and therefore we would like to upscale our various sectors to reach to the maximum of our potential.
Haba batai sepang kejeng yalang hakane gesngi ulaong baki bun teli ki association ki badai jong ki nongnya kali bat ki association ki badai bat ki kam jengok kai bat kumta ki ladan kam banwan hakawai ke satri banyakran yakini ki mat ulaong bana ke benta kejeng singan ki nongwan jengok kai perthai katanat kan pen kre da ki tourist assistant bat ke Sarkar Jilla kan lumthop ya ka kai pot jong kane kejeng yalang
ngila hot kepang yaki stakeholder barok kitu ki dan benta ha kan gam jengok perthai ke bakentup nadu ki kenhun jong kinongnya kali tour operator, ki try je ki homestay, but ki hotel, ki guide, ki dorbashnong, ki cooperative society. But ke jenggut hi kalong bangi kwa wan syak skor ya ke jeng jong ki ni ki stakeholders, ki jeng kum ko bagi 8 pau kalian ki surok, ke power supply, ke internet connectivity, but ke bangi pan, but naki kalong ba ngidon kam bakin wan ha kawai shatri, ha kawai kerensan. Ke jeng ke jongi kalong ba ki bun palat ki association, tang ki association jong ki nong nyak kaliru kila bun lupa ki wei ki bakran syarmi ngi ki bakran sesep ni tinggi don kam ya ka wei ka apex body ka ban represent ya borok kini ki stakeholders kenang ba ka jing kran jong ni kum ka sarkar bat ki kan long kalong structured kalong basuk kan ni lai kran ya se ka wei kamat ni pendap itu kamat bat katu gede ke kepala endorse da borok tin rela dangi kran sispat lagi seng kamat kesenam kalau alai lakalai kirang ya ming ya jing kran kata gede idea ya ketu ke jingjang ala kran bahaman ne chief minister ula kran bat ngan ong biang ini keju lada kidon ki kenuhun ki bas ngau bakadon ke bakimnya hab bat ke bak sarkar ni ke department kan le kale ai bikin wan syangi amda ka ba ki ke bak le ma ki 4 minit ka kata ya ke liangja daki bun benai ki bujung
mah kena dengan saya tapi lagi memang kita nampak kan penting ini kita pakai kan pasti waktu kok tadi kita kan keluar
ya ketu ngin compile ya ka in the form jong ka we ka kaipot ka report but bis lo jong ketu ka report ngin sedang bensim action ke katu kan ini ngin action chief minister la depan penbenamentan kum ka bandon di tourist assistance kiban pong uniform kiban dan sesurak kiwa ai ke jing singan bat kiban yarap yaki nong jengok partai habaki wan chani
habatin pej bahagi ki shop ka shop plus f
ka plus f
hakabam bangi bam dunaki eki batai kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus f haka jingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka shop plus f menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya